How to fix Messenger floating video call not working. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Messenger app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Messenger account. Now open any of the conversation. At the top right corner of the conversation, you can find different icons. Tap on that middle one icon, video call icon. As soon as you tap on that, video call will appear on your screen. But if it doesn't happen, then how to fix it? Firstly, you have to just log out and log in back to your Messenger account. So just try it out. Now the second thing you can do is you have to update your Messenger app to its latest version. So head towards Play Store or App Store and search for the app Messenger. Over here you will find the option of update or open. In the case you find open, it means that your Messenger app is up to date. But if you find update, tap on it and update your Messenger app to its latest version. Now the only thing you have to do is head towards the option of settings, open it, scroll down and open the option of apps. Now from here you have to select the option of manage apps, open it. Now search for the app Messenger. And now at the bottom you can find the option of clear data, tap on it. Tap on clear cache option, tap on OK. Also tap on the option of force stop, tap on OK. After you complete this process, just open your Messenger and just check it out if your problem is solved. In the case all of these methods doesn't work, then what you can do is just uninstall your Messenger app and reinstall it. Open your Play Store or App Store and search for the app Messenger and install it. After it is installed, just log into your Messenger account and check if your problem is solved. By applying all of these methods, your problem is surely gonna be fixed. This is how you can fix Messenger floating video call not working. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.